Hello YouTube. Hello. It was a while since I did do a talk video, so now I'm going to show you the latest thing I did buy. It's just audio cables and plugs and I don't know the different names of all these, but it did cost me €5 and, or how to say, 4.90 €4 and 90 cents. And then update on how to say, my Sonic videos as well. It will take a little while. I'm having some problems, and I'm not going to use Flash. I'm going to use Sony Vegas, so it will take a little longer time. What more to say? Not really anything more, but all in all, I'm going to make some voices as well for my character, so which is not that good yet. I'm working on him, on my character, or how to say, the sprite, so the voice on him will be about the same time when the new sprites arrive for him. That's really everything, so be well.